Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to add filter in Instagram story. So if you want to go ahead and try to add some cute filters on your Instagram story, then this is the right guide for you. First things first, just open your Instagram app and log in onto your Instagram account. Now, once you're already onto the home screen, you'll just have to swipe so that you should be able to see the camera option in there to add in a story. Now, once you're already in there, you could simply click onto the photos onto the bottom part, or you could simply click onto the capture button to add what you want to add into your story. Now, right after, here onto the upper part of the screen, you should be able to see this icon. You have to click onto this to open the different filters in your Instagram app. So as you can see, you'll just have to swipe to browse onto the different filters that are available. So you could also view more details regarding the filter. So as you can see, if you click onto that, and you'll just have to click onto done to save the filter onto your photo. Now you could do the same thing onto this photo. Let's try to access the filters again. Click onto this icon, and then you should be able to see the different filters here onto the bottom part. So for example, I want to add a specific filter. So you could actually click onto this icon here onto the left side to go ahead and save that onto your device. To view more details regarding that specific filter, just click here and then you should be able to see the view effect page and who is the creator of that filter. So for example, this one, we're going to click onto view effect page and you'll see more stories that have used the same filter. So you could click onto this icon here onto the upper part so that you could share the effect link, or you could also see the effect ID for that. And then you'll just have to click onto done once it is already saved. Basically it onto how to add a filter in your Instagram story. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.